Mama, if you've been praying for additional income without you having to do the most, without you having to get a second job, and without you having to sacrifice motherhood, then this video is going to be for you.
Hey, I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. Na diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler.
Hey Mama, I'm Sierra Janae and I'm a wife and mom of two, and I'm also the creator and founder of the Mompreneur Method. Now look girl, before the Mompreneur Method ever existed, I was once an overwhelmed, overworked mama just trying to figure out a way for my family to be able to breathe again. My husband was working 2 full-time jobs just to try to support us, and I felt so guilty as a wife and a mom. I knew that we were meant for more and we deserved more, but I just didn't know how to get there. I first started to try to dibble and dabble in different side hustles like Airbnb, wholesale real estate, and UGC. Even though I made some kind of income with them, it was nothing crazy. It was nothing consistent. Fast forward to 2024, digital marketing found me and everything changed. I got started with a Done For You digital marketing course. Keep in mind, girl, I didn't know a thing about marketing. Literally not one thing. I learned the information, I implemented the information, I showed up, and I was able to make my first 6 figures literally within 9 months of my journey. And this was all straight from my phone. That was the moment that I realized something. If I could do this as a busy mom, an overworked mom, an overwhelmed mom, surely other moms could do this as well. And see, this is the part that I feel like nobody talks about. While I was building that business, moms kept gravitating towards me. They would DM me, ask for help, join my mentorship. And I noticed one thing. Here was a group of individuals that always felt the most stuck, that felt the most overwhelmed. But when I implemented my personal strategy, they would succeed the fastest. And you know why? Because we already solve problems every single day. We already multitask. We already create routines, systems, content just by being a mom. We just never get taught how to monetize it. And see, that helped me discover that the issue wasn't capability, it was access. Moms didn't have a simple system, mom-friendly training, a real community, or step-by-step income guidance. Everything online was either too techy, too fluffy, or just too overwhelming. So that's exactly why I created the Mompreneur Method. The exact system I wished existed when I got started. MPM is not a complicated course. It's not hours of slides, and it's not a program for influencers or tech gurus. It's a plug-and-play digital income system built specifically for moms who don't have time to figure all this out alone. And mama, the results inside this community are unreal. We have moms literally getting their first sale ever. Moms earning while they're cooking, moms earning during bath time, moms earning while they're in the carpool line. Moms who literally went from scared to confident real fast. So if you have been thinking, I'm not qualified, I'm not techie, I don't have a lot of followers, I don't have time, or maybe next year, I'm here to tell you sis, you're already doing everything that digital marketing requires. You just haven't learned how to turn it into real income. And that's where MPM comes in. So if you are tired of struggling, tired of feeling behind, or just ready to bet on yourself for the very first time, click the link in the description and join MPM today. Sis, your soft life starts with one decision. Let this be the one.